Just want to give a quick update on how my account's doing today. We had a great day in the markets. Let's get into it. So I took a screenshot of my positions when the market closed. The market opens back up in futures. My profit loss on the day resets. So we can see here I was up $1,130. I'm at $18,000 on my net liquidation. So that brings me pretty close back to where I was before my Tesla position and my 0 days to expiration losses. So with Tesla going up today and all my other positions going up today, I'm back to break even after my losses there. So I've got 3 trades that I placed today. I did my 30-20-10 strategy here, collected $70 in premium there for that. I adjusted my strangle on the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures. First time I've made an adjustment on that. And then I was able to close out a position at 50% return. That was my E-mini S&P 500 put spread. So that closed out today because the market went up with the Fed news. So let's take a walk through each one of those transactions that I made today. So this is the regular put spread that I put on every day. It's part of the 30-20-10 strategy. I placed the trade at 20 delta, which today it was at 50.80 and 50.90. You look at all my positions so far, it's just a big mess. But that's what I'm doing, is doing a $10 wide spread, 20 delta, every 30 days to expiration on the E-mini S&P 500. I'm doing this on the E-mini S&P 500 because I don't have enough money to be able to do it on the SPX. One day, whenever I have enough capital, I'd like to be able to move it over to there because it is a cash settled underlying. So in the meantime, I'm just using the E-mini to preserve capital. I make less money, but I'm able to still do this strategy. So far, it's working out really well, especially because the market went up today. Next, I finally adjusted my strangle position. What I did was I moved it back up to close to 20 deltas. So it was sitting down here in the high 49s, and then I ended up pushing it back up because the stock price is up really high. I'm really comfortable. In my mind, I was thinking if I was going to open up a trade right now on the put side, where would I put my put position? And I decided to do it at 20 deltas. So regardless of the net delta between the call and the put, I decided to go ahead and just keep it at 20 whenever I place an adjustment. That keeps me far enough from the current price in case we do get a pullback, because the markets did go up. They're up to new highs here. So just being careful here. Wanted to make a quick adjustment. I just wanted to try to even out the deltas here a little bit. That way, if I do need to make a move and turn this into a straddle or a butterfly, then I'm not too far away from that. I can still collect enough premium to be able to cover myself. So that's my play so far on the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures. We'll see how that goes, especially with the markets moving like they are right now. And I'll keep you updated on how this strategy is working so far. So Tesla overall has had a good week. It's recovering from its low. I believe this could potentially be a bottom. We are seeing price movement move up past this ADMA. It still has resistance here. We see some supply lines here. It needs to break through this level, and then we have a nice opening gap here. So we want to see this gap, this window to get filled up here, and we see another line of supply here. So it does have some work to do. And even though we had some good news from the Fed, I don't know if the rates are going to be dropping anytime soon or not. So with Tesla, it might not be raising up as much as the rest of the market still. But again, I just need it to go up to around $180 and I'm at break even. So that's really my plan as far as Tesla goes. I'm not trying to ride it all the way up to the top. I'm really just looking to get it back up to around 180 to 200. I'm going to get the money that I have for the trade that I'm in, and I can get out and move on. But really, so far, I'm really liking the futures. What's nice about options on futures is you don't have to worry about earnings, the Fed so much. I mean, the positions really weren't changed much based on what the Fed had to say. I mean, my bonds are up, but I don't have to worry too much about those kind of things. The capital efficiency is very good, so I can use my buying power as leverage. And so that's a huge plus using a small account on options on futures, is that I can put more money up than I have and be able to collect more premium. So so far it's been working out really well, especially on the coppers futures there. So I'm going to continue doing that. And I mean, if I see a stock that I like, then I'll put a trade on with that. But more or less, I'm looking to really put most of my portfolio right now into the options on futures and the S&P 500. So that's kind of my plan. I think that's the direction that I want to go. But I like the strangles and doing the put spreads as well. So I'll keep you updated on how my account's doing. Again, a great day in the markets. I'm pretty much at break even before Tesla started dropping more. So that's where my positions are right now. That's how my portfolio did. We had a good day in the market. I'm excited. I feel like a weight's been lifted off of me because even though my Tesla position is down, I'm now back to break even before Tesla went down. So the more the Tesla goes up, it's all profit for me. And on top of the positions that I have, we're looking like we're in good shape for the future here. So I want to give you an update every time that I make a trade. So there might be a day where I don't trade and I don't make a video, but I want to keep you updated on every trade that I do, just to keep you in the loop on what I learn and how my account is doing. If you want to see how bad my account was at the beginning of this week, check out this video. I was all the way back down to $15,200. That's $1,000 under my beginning balance on the year. Now I'm sitting up at $18,000. A total flip around in 3 days. Check out the video if you want to see more. And for those that don't know, I'm a new options trader. My goal is to get a 50% return by the end of this year. So far, I believe we're on track for that. If you're interested in following me, hit that subscribe button. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.